Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you about a calculator which I have developed for determining the maturity value of bank fixed deposits. This calculator is Excel based and is very simple and easy to use. So as you can see, suppose you want to deposit 10,000 rupees for 2 years, and the rate of interest is say 6.9% hypothetically. Then the maturity value will be 11,466 rupees. Suppose you deposit for 1 year and the rate of interest is 6.8, then you will get back 10,698 rupees. 1 year is same as 12 months, so here also you will get the same answer, and 12 months is same as 365 days, so again you will get same answer. So you can download this calculator from the link given in the description. Thank you.